Hello, here we are again on our Innovative Instructional Technologies website. What I'd like to cover with this video is to kind of give you a brief overview of the Multimedia Assignment. To get there, you go to the top of the page and just click on the methods, and on this list, if you scroll down, you can see Multimedia located right here. Click on it, bring it up, it'll bring you. You notice I have Assignment 1 and Assignment 2. Essentially, in a nutshell, the very first assignment is to download a YouTube, 3 YouTube videos using Mozilla Firefox. And Firefox is my preference. It's probably the most seamless and easiest way to download videos that you can use in your classroom. And I think that's important to be able to do this, because if you're in a classroom, you're not going to have the ability to bypass the filter using YouTube. And these are things that you probably want to do at home on your computer at home. Download the videos, preview them, and then show them in the classroom. Let me show you begin. This is first of all, you want to go to the Firefox website and download where it says free download here. You notice the link that I just clicked on. Go to free download, and in the beginning of this download, it'll ask you, there's 2 little check marks. One of them says, do you want to add this search engine to your toolbar? There's a couple of things in there. Just uncheck them before you install or during the installation process. It's not a big deal if you leave them checked either, because you can go to add remove programs and remove them from the computer also. But this is just a quick way to like I said, the most seamless way to download videos and use them in your classroom. Let me kind of show you the first steps. I also have a add-on steps. This is installing the video download and the add-on for Firefox. This is a kind of a step-by-step process to kind of show you exactly what you need to download and how to do it. So this is a really good guide to help you get to that point. But let me kind of very quickly show you just how easy it is and how seamless it is. The first thing you want to do is bring up Mozilla or Firefox icon, and you notice that when you first install, it'll ask you, when you install it, it'll ask you to close the program and reopen it, and just do that. And then you notice at the very top it says you right click on the menu bar, and what that does is it brings up the menu bar. Now some of you may have, you can go over here and open the menu and do the same thing. I just prefer doing it this way. It's just easy for me. Then you go to the tools bars, and right here, the second one down, as you can see, where it says add-ons, you click on the add-ons. On these add-ons, now I already have these video downloaders installed on my computer, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But the next step that you want to do is you want to type in video download. Click enter, and it'll bring up a whole list of things that you can use. You can see mine's not listed on here. I have a flash player and I have a couple of them, but you can use these. Choose the one that works best for you, and it just takes a second to install these things. So all you have to do is click install, and when you click the install button, it will automatically put the add-in in the Firefox web browser. Let me kind of give you a better idea of this. Let me close the tabs. Okay, I'm opening up Mozilla, and I want to go to YouTube. They have teacher tubes that's not really necessarily filtered, so you may use those in a classroom. But if you're going to download a video in the classroom, you're going to be restricted, because the Child Internet Protection Act won't allow you to go to a site like YouTube. There may be some offensive videos or on the website, so you want to steer clear of that by doing it that way. But this way you have the opportunity to preview at home and everything else. So I'm clicking on YouTube again, and you can see that it gives you the videos. Let's see one that I know here. And you just type in, it doesn't matter, whatever the concept or subject that you're teaching, you just may want to do that. And then you go to here. This is the video that I'm going to kind of show you how to download. You can see it come up on the screen here, and it'll play through. But I stopped the video, and you can see that I have these download options here. These are the, I have actually, this one's kind of, I need to go and delete one of the add-ons here to kind of clear this one up. But this one is the Flash Player, just in case you download a video using Flash Player. Here's another option that I have. This is the one that's YouTube specific. You can see that there's a couple options here. There's WebM 360, and there's the MP4. WebM uses the FLV player, and that's something that you have to download on your computer in your classroom if you wish to use it. Now, some of you who are very knowledgeable about the use of computers, you may want to do the FLV, and the reason is because the quality is a little bit better, the sound quality is a little bit better, and the pixelation is a little bit better on the video. So it's just a clearer, more responsive picture in my opinion. That's my opinion. Now, you might have a different opinion. But for ease and sake, I would recommend that you download the MP4, because Windows Media Player will automatically open this, and it's usually installed on just about every computer that you will have access in your classroom to. So this is the one that you would do, and you just click on it, and it'll ask me where I want to save it. You can see Magic Glasses, YouTube, and I want to save it to my desktop, as you can see here, and I can move it later. Then when I click Save, you can see this little green arrow somewhere that it'll give you the option of downloading it, and you can't see it, but it'll quickly download the video and put it on my desktop. And then after I do this, I could go to my desktop and play it. You can see that I don't need a filter to view this video from this point on. It'll just automatically, and I can put it in a folder. What I need to mention to you also is, remember I told you in the folder that if you go, that one of the requirements of the class is for data organization. So I've created a quick folder. I'm going to here, and then here's my data folder, and you notice that I have my data folder. I have videos, and then I can just close this program out and put it in my videos folder to make it more permanent, so that you can kind of keep up with it and use it in the future. But this is a quick way to show you how to download the videos. Not difficult. If you need my help, please contact me, and I can help you through just about any problem that you may be having. But this is that's the video component. That's assignment 1, and you can see I have a little bit more information on this page that you can use and follow. And I have installing the video download add-on for Firefox. That's a pretty comprehensive guide to be able to set it up and be successful. Thank you very much.